Hey Plug Babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Plug by Bianca M, but you can call me Bianca. Let's get into my favorite segment, the plug bag of the day. The plug bag of the day is our classic black box bag. Absolutely love this, of course. This one here has the silver. We also have gold hardware as well. I decided to put on silver because we had the gray monochromatic look going on. I feel like this bag was perfect. It can hold so much. This is like one of the girls' absolute favorite bags. And this here is the plug bag of the day. Before we get into the video, if you are not already subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Leave me a like, write me some comments. Tell me what you think about this video because we are ready to get into some affordable boots. Okay, babes. So from one boot lover to the next, let me show you guys some affordable boots that I found. I feel like they are chef's kiss. Could not wait to show them. Now, it's kind of like an unboxing, but then it's like not really because I did have to peek inside the boxes because I just could not wait. So let's get into the boots that I found. Now, I talked about these when I did the fall boot wish list. Let me show y'all. These are the Maison Margiela dupes. So we already talked about the price of the Maison Margielas. We already talked about this trendy cute boot. And when I saw this and saw other creators with it, because sometimes I just need to see a review, especially if it's a dupe. This one right here is perfect. So I decided to go with nude. Now this one comes in so many colors. Like, I don't even know if Maison Margiela has as many colors as this brand. But oh my gosh, when I say so comfortable, it feels like you can literally have these on all day long. They come in beige and they also come in nude. These here are nude. The beige ones are a little bit lighter. And I absolutely love these. I can see these with jeans. I can see this with a dress, a skirt, sweatpants, literally whatever. At this point, what they say, dupes sis, absolutely. These will be linked below as well, y'all. I'm telling y'all, these are like so bomb. And they had black as well. And y'all know the girls love black. So if y'all see me with the black, just know that I put y'all on because these are fire. Pretty little thing. So every time that I get one pretty little thing, I find the cutest pieces. Now I have some girlfriends that always be like, girl, where did you get that from? Always talk about how they be finding a hard time, but I never find a hard time. If I go on Pretty Little Thing, I'm coming off there with something. Y'all know how I go. I'm leaving here with something. So let me show you guys these affordable boots. Oh my goodness. First up, absolutely love these. These are so comfortable as well. I was walking around my house. Absolutely love this. I feel like this, even though this leopard do not match our plug bag, this is still a good one. Like, this is not giving cheesy. This is more so of a dark tone. I could see this one was all black easily. Red lip. I mean, look at this boot. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the pointed toe because they kind of bring me back to like that 90s, early 2000 feel. Like, and I really, really like that. I'm into that. And I love that the heel is not too high. You guys already know how I feel about that. I love these boots so much. They also come up to my knees. And I love that because I'm only 5'1". And I need like a little bit of dramatics going on. Now, if it was a thigh boot, I would be even more in love. But for the price point, you could not miss. This boot is so good. Can y'all believe we still have Pretty Little Thing? Look at these. These are drop dead gorgeous. I absolutely love. So the only thing that I was a little bit confused about, I was like, wait, are they burgundy? So supposedly they're listed under burgundy, but it gives you a burgundy if you're really, really close. But from far back, it will give you brown. I'm not sure how it's showing up on camera, but y'all know, y'all can get the truth from me. I love these. They are so comfortable. I absolutely love the silver zipper. That's what's fun. One of them. Stinky. Mommy's working. Mommy's working. You gotta go back upstairs, okay? Mommy paw. All right. Give me a paw. Big boy. Oh my God, not all my kids. Here they come. It's like one kid after the next. Just look at that. Absolutely love these. These are extremely comfortable as well. Also, I walked around my house with them. I love this. This is a wedge heel. And you can't even see it because just look at how it's covered up. I remember not really liking this style boot as much. It was giving me like Nutcracker vibes. But now, when you really know how to style them, maybe that's what I was afraid about. Maybe I was afraid of how like they would look styling them. But when I started styling them different ways, every time I see this fold over boot, I'm a fold over boot girl. Like, I love fold over boots. Like, you can't tell me nothing about them now. I love this detail up the back. Absolutely love. This is a silver zipper. I did not know that this was on a boot. But when I got them, I was like, oh, okay. Now, I do feel like I might be forced to only wear like silver jewelry because y'all know I kind of like to match when I'm not really in my mixed metal era. But I love these so much. And like I said, these are Burgundy. They will all be listed below. I know y'all cannot wait to get your hands on them. And I feel like these are like under $50. Like, look at this boot. Y'all know when y'all see a cheap looking boot and one that's not cheap looking, this is it. Absolutely love. You cannot go wrong with this boot. Y'all, I love Pretty Little Thing. That is like one of my like dreams to be like on their PR list, have a collaboration with them. Like, I love Pretty Little Thing. I have been a Pretty Little Thing girl for a very long time. Pretty Little Thing, if y'all see this video, holla at your girl. Email me, send me something over because, listen, one thing, I authentically love that brand. Let's get into the next boots. Like I said, y'all, I love the fold over boots. I am a fold over boot girl. Like, add me in, tag me in. Every time I see them from now on, like, it gotta be a good pair though. I'm gonna get them. I love these. Now, this right here gives me like the cowboy feel, cowgirl feel, whichever one. I love that though. Like, you can wear this like Western style or you can wear it like with a baseball cap. And that's what I absolutely love. If y'all want me to style these boots, y'all know what to do. Drop below. Let me know. I would absolutely love to style these boots for y'all. I love this. I love the color. Y'all know I have a plug bag to match. Because one thing the girl's going to have is a bag to match. I absolutely love these. I feel like these are like so edgy. These are more so like, you can even style this particular pair with sweatpants. I know y'all ain't see that comment. I can't wait to style them so that y'all can see that comment. But I love these so much. It has a really small heel, just like a cowboy boot. Absolutely love this. These are so fun. This is the only actual color that I saw in this particular style because if I would have seen these in another one, I think I would have got those as well. But I love these so much. And like I said, under $50. Pretty Little Thing did a thing, okay? I absolutely love, love, love all of these boots that we got from Pretty Little Thing. If you reached this part of the video, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I would love for you to be a part of the Plug Babes. See you.